Guangdong Dekam Optical Communication Technology Company Limited is an advanced optical fiber cable manufacturer with many years of production experience. We are dedicated to providing superior, reliable, and innovative solutions tailored to our clients. Our factory specializes in the manufacture of both indoor and outdoor fiber optic, cable splice closures, waterproof boxes, waterproof connectors, and pre-terminated cable assemblies. We have a state-of-the-art production facility with 3 outdoor fiber optic cable production lines and 7 indoor fiber optic cable production lines. Our injection molding division houses 8 injection molding machines and has extensive experience in producing cable, splice closures, waterproof boxes, and waterproof connectors. This expertise ensures our clients receive products of high quality and expertise. Our main products are optical cables, waterproof boxes, MST boxes, and other products. Our factory also has ISO 9001 Quality Management System certification and TLC certification. Our factory is located in Dongguan, Guangdong, with convenient transportation access. Our products are sold to various countries overseas. At the same time, we also accept OEM and ODM orders. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. If you need any help, please feel free to contact us and tell us your procurement needs.